What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for NIO with the ticker symbol NIO. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I will be doing another market structure update for NIO. I look at NIO every Monday and Wednesday. So this is going to be Wednesday's update on the daily chart. So let's see what happened since Monday. You can see that Tuesday price did continue higher, came near the EMA, got rejected, sold off strongly, and today was a pretty large drop in price. So it looks like NIO is not going to be staying within the green channel as of right now. It looks pretty bearish. It looks like the sellers are stronger than the buyers as of right now. So that tells me that this measure move might be invalidated. And we might be making a measure move lower. So previously, it looks like the bulls were at least able to continue higher, but now it looks like they're not as strong as predicted. So we might be seeing another leg down like that size, right to about the 943. So we'll see if that will be obtained. It looks like Chinese stocks are bearish, BABA is bearish, and NIO is definitely looking bearish. So maybe this is dragged up a little bit higher, the range. And that would mean that we had a breakout pullback. So whenever price breaks out, pulls back and finds resistance, there's a good chance it will probably continue lower in the future. So that's what it looks like it's setting up to do. I don't really see a lot of bullish signs on the chart. We're still below the EMA, and you can see how it's working its way down. And we can't even make a new high. This is the lowest one versus the previous one. So again, it's not looking that strong for the bulls. Again, things can always change, but I have to go with what I see on the chart. And what I'm seeing on the chart, it's telling me that it could continue to drop down lower. I think a logical target would be using a measure move the size of the previous one, the previous size leg, which if you drag it over would make it right at the 941. And again, if the price is really bearish, it might continue to drop down all the way to the $7 level, the mid sevens, because that's where the support is, very strong support. There was a double bottom right here that led to this massive rally. So that's where the strong support is. That's where this circle's been here for quite a long time now. And I'll leave it there until we don't see the bears that strong. Right now, the bears are pretty strong. So that's how I'm looking at NIO. Maybe we even get a large leg down, something like that. I don't think so, but it's always a possibility. Either way, since price is still below the EMA, since we just saw a lower high and looks like a possible breakout pullback, I think, there's a good chance to reach that mid $9 level and maybe even eventually the $7 level. Again, the $7 level is not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen next week. I mean, it can, but it's probably going to happen within the next couple of weeks or even a couple of months, depending on how strong this down move is. It might not even get there at all. So I'm just having as a target, just in case we do see price get there. What would invalidate all this analysis and for me to be bullish is a break above the EMA, price coming back to find support. There's a good chance it will continue higher. I don't know how high, but that's the stuff I need to see. That's the change in market direction that I need to see for me to be bullish or me to be looking for higher price targets. Right now, it doesn't look that strong towards the upside. It looks like the bears are dominating the chart. Let's take a quick look on the weekly. So last week was kind of bearish. Now it looks like this week is bearish again. It looks like we might even surpass previous week's low, which is right around the 987, the 992. And if it does, I think we're going to probably reach the mid $9 level. So again, NIO is not looking that strong. It cannot stay above the EMA on the weekly chart. It cannot stay above the mid $10 level. And we're seeing it continue to drop down lower. So this is what I see on the chart. And I'm looking for the mid $7 level eventually. So until then, that would be my target. But either way, I'll give you guys an update if something drastically changes. But that's how I'm looking at NIO. And this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.